Required approvals enforce code reviews by the number and type of users you specify. In this case, if we go to Settings and we expand the Merge Request Approvals, we see that there are a different set of rules that any contribution will have to go through in order to be merged into the codebase. For example, if we open Vulnerability Check, we see that we have 2 contributors that have to approve before it can be merged into the production. Now, if we click on Add Approval Rule, and we say Quality Assurance, for example, any contribution will have to go through this person in order to be merged into the main branch. Now we have a different set of rules configured. Let's check it in action. Let's click on the Merge Request view and open a merge request. Here, in the Overview page, we can see that in order for this contribution to make it to the main codebase or to the main branch, it will have to go through these 5 approvals, including the vulnerability check we saw before, code owners, and quality assurance that we just configured. Why is this important? It ensures the quality of contribution by having a streamlined approval process.